Thank you for joining today. This is Corey with Pace RFID and Barcode. Today, I'm going to show you just a quick overview of Data Collection Center's Idyllic WMS. This is a great solution for small to medium companies that have little to no inventory control in place, that want to do things like mobilize using barcodes or to have a better view of everything you have from minimums, maximums, knowing what you have and where you have it. I'm going to spend just a minute going through some of the major functions and just a real quick demonstration. So here we go. First off, you'll notice that we have locations and part numbers, and we can do sorts. We can export very easily to an Excel spreadsheet whenever we want to take this information out to a different source. This will do everything from receiving, shipping. We have proof of delivery and RFID. We have RFID, GPS, and orders, inspections, and a number of other ways. We integrate to QuickBooks and other solutions like Peachtree, like Sage, as well as larger packages as well. My favorite thing about this solution is that when we're looking for where things are, we can also go so far as to see where things are in a physical location in your operation. Everything's pretty straightforward and very clean. We can adjust or change any of the terminologies, as well as mobilize with simple buttons as shown on screen for all sorts of functions on the mobile device. If you have any questions about this solution, please contact your PACE representative. We'll be glad to get a demonstration set up for you. Thanks for watching.